In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add more storage to your Switch or Switch 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you download a lot of games, updates, or DLC, you may eventually run out of space on your Switch or Switch 2. To increase storage, you're going to need to get yourself a micro SD card, and these come in so many different sizes. You have 16 gigabytes, which is super small, 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and even up to 1 terabyte or even 2 terabytes. Go ahead and choose the size that fits your needs best, and what you're going to want to do before even installing that micro SD card is fully power down your console by holding down the power button on the top of the Switch, waiting for the power options screen to pop up and select power options and then choose power off and wait for the console to completely shut down. After that, flip the Switch over, open up the back stand or the kickstand, and underneath it, you're going to see a micro SD card slot. Go ahead and take your micro SD card and line it up correctly, then gently push it in and you'll feel a small click as it locks into place. Close the stand once it's inserted and you'll be good to go. And then from here, just hold down the power button again to turn the console back on and unlock it. And what you're going to want to do is go into your system settings itself. Open it up, scroll all the way down to the very bottom to system, and then scroll over to this section right here and go down to the very bottom. You're going to see like a formatting option or data clear option. Go ahead and select that and then scroll down a little bit more and you're going to see a either format micro SD card option or a clear micro SD card data option. Go ahead and select that, confirm the format. Just keep in mind, if you have anything on the micro SD card itself, this will erase everything. But after that, your Switch is going to restart. And when you turn it back on, go ahead and go back to your system settings page and scroll up until you see data management. Once you're in data management, you're going to want to go ahead and see that you'll have that micro SD card option on here as well. As you can see, I have pretty much both of them almost completely filled up. But yeah, that is it. That is how you can add more storage to a Switch or a Switch 2. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.